Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 drone brands for vlogging and their best-selling points. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out, these drones will take your content to the next level. Let's get started. First up, we have the brand that's practically synonymous with drones, DJI. If you've spent any time looking into drones, chances are you've come across DJI. They've pretty much set the standard in the drone world, especially when it comes to vlogging. And a big reason for that is their camera quality. DJI drones are known for their incredible cameras that capture stunning aerial footage. We're talking sharp 4K resolution, high dynamic range for those vibrant colors, and smooth cinematic footage thanks to their advanced gimbal stabilization. Basically, DJI drones are designed to make your vlogs look like they were shot by a professional film crew. But it's not just about the specs. DJI has also nailed the ease of use, which is crucial for vloggers who need to focus on capturing the moment. Their drones are relatively simple to control, even for beginners, and they come packed with intelligent flight modes that make getting those cinematic shots a breeze. Think about those epic follow-me shots where the drone tracks your every move as you hike through a forest or cycle down a mountain road. Or how about those stunning orbit shots where the drone circles around you, revealing the breathtaking scenery? DJI has basically made it incredibly easy for anyone to get those Hollywood-level shots. And let's not forget about their Active Track feature. This is where things get really interesting. Active Track lets you lock onto a subject, yourself, another person, or even a moving object, and the drone will automatically follow it, keeping it perfectly framed in the shot. It's like having your own personal camera crew up in the air. Now, DJI offers a range of drones at different price points, but some of their most popular models for vlogging include the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic 2 Pro. These drones strike a great balance between portability, performance, and of course, that signature DJI image quality. The Mavic Air 2 in particular is super compact and foldable, making it perfect for vloggers who are always on the go. You can easily toss it in your backpack and take it with you on all your adventures. Plus, it's surprisingly affordable for the features it packs. On the other hand, if you're serious about your vlogging game and want the absolute best image quality possible, the Mavic 2 Pro is the way to go. It has a larger sensor, which means better low-light performance and overall image quality. So, when it comes to vlogging drones, DJI is definitely a top contender. They offer incredible image quality, intelligent flight modes that make capturing cinematic shots a breeze, and a range of drones at different price points to fit different budgets. Next up, we have Parrot, a brand that's known for its user-friendly and approachable drones. Parrot drones are all about making drone flying easy and accessible for everyone, regardless of their experience level. One of Parrot's biggest selling points is their compact and portable designs. They have some of the most compact drones on the market, which is perfect for vloggers who are always on the move. Take the Parrot Anafi, for example. It's a super lightweight and foldable drone that can easily fit in your backpack or even a large purse. It's so small and portable that you can take it with you pretty much anywhere without it weighing you down. But don't let its small size fool you. The Anafi still packs a punch when it comes to features and performance. It has a 4K camera that can capture some seriously impressive footage, and it's incredibly easy to fly, even if you're a complete beginner. Parrot's drones are also known for their user-friendly interfaces. Their mobile app is clean, intuitive, and makes it super easy to control the drone and adjust settings on the fly. And speaking of flying, Parrot drones are also known for their stable flight performance. They're designed to be stable and easy to control, even in windy conditions, so you can focus on getting the shot you want without having to worry about the drone being blown off course. Now, Parrot might not have all the bells and whistles of some of the more expensive DJI drones, but they make up for it with their affordability. Parrot drones offer incredible value for the money, making them a great option for budget-conscious vloggers who still want to capture high-quality aerial footage. Plus, Parrot offers a range of drones at different price points, so you can find one that fits your budget and your vlogging needs. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Parrot has a drone that can help you take your vlogs to the next level. Their focus on user-friendliness, combined with their compact designs and affordable prices, makes Parrot drones a great option for vloggers who are just starting out, or anyone who wants a simple and easy-to-use drone that can capture stunning aerial footage. Now, if you're serious about your drone footage and you're looking for a drone that can rival DJI in terms of features and performance, then you need to check out Autel Robotics. Autel has been making waves in the drone industry with its lineup of powerful and feature-packed drones that cater to professional filmmakers and serious enthusiasts. One of Autel's biggest selling points is their advanced features and technology. These drones are packed with cutting-edge tech that allows you to capture some truly incredible footage. For example, their obstacle avoidance system is one of the most advanced on the market, allowing their drones to navigate complex environments with ease. This is a game changer for vloggers who want to capture dynamic shots in tight spaces or challenging locations. You can fly the drone with confidence knowing that it's less likely to crash into obstacles. And let's talk about battery life for a second. Autel drones are known for their impressive battery life, giving you more time in the air to capture those epic shots. We're talking flight times of up to 30 minutes or more on a single charge, which is significantly longer than many other drones on the market. This means you can spend less time swapping out batteries and more time focusing on what matters most, getting the perfect shot. But it's not just about the tech. Autel drones also deliver when it comes to image quality. They're equipped with high-resolution cameras that can capture stunning detail and vibrant colors. Their latest drones, like the Autel Evo 2 Pro, can even shoot in 6K resolution, which is pretty much unheard of in the consumer drone market. This gives you incredible flexibility in post-production, allowing you to crop in on your footage without sacrificing quality. Plus, Autel drones offer a range of professional-level features like adjustable aperture and shutter speed that give you more control over your footage. You can fine-tune your settings to get the exact look and feel you're going for. Autel drones might not be as well known as DJI, but they're definitely a force to be reckoned with. They offer a compelling combination of advanced features, long battery life, and exceptional image quality, making them a top choice for serious vloggers and filmmakers. Now, let's talk about a drone company that's doing things a little differently, Skydio. Skydio is all about autonomous flight, and their drones are basically like having your own personal flying camera crew. Their main selling point is their advanced obstacle avoidance technology. We're not just talking about basic obstacle avoidance here. Skydio drones use artificial intelligence and advanced computer vision to create a 3D map of their surroundings, allowing them to avoid obstacles with incredible precision. It's actually pretty mind-blowing to watch. You can literally fly a Skydio drone through a forest, and it will effortlessly weave its way through the trees, avoiding branches and trunks with ease. This level of autonomy opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities for vloggers. You can capture shots that would be impossible to get with a traditional drone, like flying through tight spaces, tracking fast-moving subjects, or even navigating complex indoor environments. And the best part? You don't have to be an expert pilot to fly a Skydio drone. Their autonomous flight modes do all the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on getting the shot you want. For example, their follow mode allows the drone to automatically follow you, keeping you perfectly framed in the shot as you move. It's like having your own personal cameraman, except this one can fly. They also have a cable cam mode that lets you set waypoints for the drone to fly between, creating smooth and cinematic camera movements. This is perfect for capturing those epic establishing shots or showcasing a location from unique angles. Now, Skydio drones are definitely on the pricier side, but their advanced autonomous flight capabilities make them a worthwhile investment for vloggers who want to push the boundaries of what's possible with aerial cinematography. They're perfect for action sports enthusiasts, adventurers, and anyone who wants to capture stunning footage without having to worry about the technical aspects of drone flying. Finally, let's talk about Holystone, a brand that's perfect for anyone who's just starting out with drones or looking for a budget-friendly option. Holystone offers a range of drones at incredibly affordable prices, making them a great entry point into the world of aerial photography and videography. Now, Holystone drones might not have all the bells and whistles of some of the more expensive brands on this list, but they still offer decent performance and features for the price. They're a great way to get your feet wet with drone flying and see if it's something you're interested in pursuing further. One of Holystone's most popular drones is the HS720E. It's a great all-around drone that's perfect for beginners. It's easy to fly, it has a decent camera that can capture 4K footage, and it comes with a bunch of features that make it a great value for the money. For example, the HS720E has GPS-assisted flight, which helps keep the drone stable and makes it easier to control. It also has a follow me mode that allows the drone to automatically follow you, and a return to home feature that brings the drone back to its starting point with the push of a button. These are all features that you would normally find on more expensive drones, but Holystone makes them accessible to everyone. Another great thing about Holystone drones is that they're readily available online and at major retailers. You can find them on Amazon, Walmart, and even at some Best Buy stores. This makes them super convenient to buy, and you can often find them on sale for even better prices. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly drone that can help you dip your toes into the world of aerial photography and videography, Holystone is definitely a brand to check out. They offer great value for the money and a range of drones that are perfect for beginners. And there you have it, the top 5 drone brands for vlogging and their best-selling points. From DJI's cinematic image quality to Parrot's compact designs and Autel Robotics' advanced features, there's a drone out there for every vlogger, from beginners to seasoned pros. Remember, the best drone for you will ultimately depend on your individual needs and budget. Consider what's most important to you. Is it portability, image quality, ease of use, or autonomous flight capabilities? Once you know what you're looking for, you can narrow down your options and choose the drone that's right for you. No matter which drone you choose, one thing's for sure: adding aerial footage to your vlogs will take your content to the next level. So get out there, explore the world from a new perspective, and capture some amazing footage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. See you in the next video.